Hello everyone. If you're looking for how to get profitable niches with low competition keywords for your blog and without paying a dime, you're in the right place. The method I will show you in this video revolves around using the 7-day pro trial of Semrush. Let's start first with how to get this free trial. The first step is using my Semrush link from the video description and start creating your account. After that, you will need to confirm your email address, and directly you will be welcomed with a little quiz asking you some questions. And here you can choose your trial plan. I recommend you the Pro plan. Is it enough for our need? After the free trial period ends, you will automatically charge the monthly subscription fee. You can cancel your subscription and request a refund within 7 days after your trial expires. As you can see, you have the first 7 days and another 7 days to cancel and ask for a refund. As you can see, I have an offer for you here. If you get the Semrush free trial using my link below, I give you a 1-hour consultation with me. This offer is free for the first 100 people. The tool I'll use in this tutorial is the tool called Keyword Magic Tool. First step is to enter the word best and hit search. Now we have all, but first let me exclude two words I don't want to show up in this video. As you can see, we have all the keywords that have the word best in it. The second step is to click on this filter called KD, Keyword Difficulty, and choose Very Easy. This way, we have all the keywords with the word best that are very easy to rank for. And from this list on the left side, we have, this is where some niches are hidden. We have two filters, by number and by volume. By number is by the number of the keywords inside this group or this niche. And we have volume. Volume is the total search volume in this niche. This list is groups of keywords that Semrush presents us in an easy to understand way. As you can see, if you click on this word or this group called tire, we have a niche that have 3051 keyword with a total volume of 105,000 search volume monthly and are easy to rank on Google. As you can see, we have best tires for Tesla Model 3, best tire for Honda SRV, for 4Runner. I already did some searches to find if anyone have already explored this niche, and I found this website called tirerear.com. They already wrote about informational content, and they have the roundup review articles like this one. Best tires for Toyota Prius. As you can see from this article, an article for these keywords is easy. Let me check the affiliate programs he joined. He are promoting TireRack.com, DiscountTire.com, SimpleTire.com, Priority Tire, and Amazon. All these affiliate programs can easily be joined separately. As you see, he wrote a little text about the product and he moves to pros and cons. Writing article like that is easy using ChatGPT. I will make another video explaining how to write roundup or review articles using ChatGPT. Let's move now to our keywords tool and let's check this list to find another niche, profitable niche with low competition keywords. Best place to watch, the best place to see. This group of keywords is not good for our need to create an affiliate blog. Let's see what's inside this group called shoes. Best basketball shoes for ankle support for white feet, indoor soccer shoes, turf. I think that this niche there is something to do in this niche. Best shoes for dunking, best running shoes for narrow feet. I think this is a good niche to start an affiliate website on. Let's see what's inside the hotel group keywords. Best hotels in Palm Springs for couples in California. Best hotels in Florida. As you can see from the names of these places are less known internationally, which proves that these keywords that there are some true easy to rank keywords in this list. Let's see what's inside the group keywords called golf. Golf niche is a famous niche with good affiliate programs you can join. Plenty of people already making money from this from this niche, because golf enthusiasts love spending lots of money on their equipments and tools. Let's see what's inside the dog group, keywords group. Best training collar for stubborn dogs, best calibers for prairie dogs, best dog food for Labradoodles. If you are interested with dog foods or dog equipments, this dog keywords list will be easy to rank, especially if you optimize your articles with videos and H1 and H2 titles. Let's see what's inside this group, keywords group. I don't think that this is good for us. Let's explore the coffee niche. Best coffee for mocha pot, best coffee for pour over, Chattanooga. I don't recommend this list because it's talking about places, which is not what we are looking for. Let's explore this keyword group called laptop. Best laptop for cricket maker, for podcasting, for lawyers, 3D printing, for FL Studio. I think this list is good for truly has low competing keywords. After finishing the first list, you can have another one. All you have to do is change keyword difficulty from very easy to easy, and you have another list to choose from. Let's explore this breakfast keywords group. Best breakfast burrito near me, places near me in Pittsburgh, in Palm Springs. This is not what we are looking for. Let's find out another niche. Let's see the keywords inside the park keywords group. Best park near me. This is not what we are looking for. Let's see resorts. I think resorts it will be a good choice for us. Affiliates. Best resorts in Antigua. I think this resort keyword group is a gold mine. From looking at these keywords, I got a memory of a website that was selling for more than $100,000 on one of the of websites marketplaces. The website is called Hotels for Youths, and let me check it first. As you can see, this is a simple website with short articles. That the main job of this website is listing hotels in the various states of the US. As you can see, the article is very short, promoting just booking.com affiliate program. Let me search for the listing of this website. As you can see, this website is just 1 year old content site that is making around $4,000 per month, an average of $4,000 per month, with a domain authority of just 5 and indexed pages of number of 160. This is the last 12-month earnings. This is the traffic graph, and the asking price is 6 figures. That was all for this video. I hope you get something out of it. Don't forget, you can, if you get your Semrush free trial using my link below, you can receive a 1-hour consultation with me, and this offer is available for free for the first 100 people. Thank you for watching, and see you in the comments below.